Hello and welcome. We are not letting 2025 slip away without making it the year you absolutely crush your goals. I'm going to break down 5 scientifically backed strategies that are simple, actionable, and ready to ignite your success. These 5 proven strategies aren't just effective, they're backed by research and designed for action. Let's dive in and take the first step toward achieving your goals. The first step on this journey to crushing your goals might seem deceptively simple. Write them down. Researchers at Dominican University discovered that people who write down their goals are a whopping 42% more likely to achieve them. Putting pen to paper forces you to clarify your thoughts and creates a sense of commitment and accountability. Grab a notebook, open up the Notes app on your phone, or even grab a sticky note. I don't care. Write down 3 goals you're committed to accomplishing in the next 90 days. Keep those goals visible. Stick them on your bathroom mirror, make them your phone's lock screen, put them somewhere you can't ignore them. You have a secret weapon inside your brain just waiting to be activated, and it's called your Reticular Activating System, or RAS. When you set clear goals and remind yourself of them regularly, your RAS kicks into gear, scanning your environment and flagging opportunities, resources, and even people who can help you achieve those goals. Ever notice how when you're thinking about buying a red car, you start seeing red cars everywhere? That's your RAS at work. Every morning, take just 10 seconds to visualize yourself achieving your goals. This simple habit keeps your brain focused and primed for action. Now let's talk strategy. The WHOOP method, developed by psychologist Gabrielle Eddingen, is a game changer when it comes to achieving your goals. WHOOP stands for wish, outcome, obstacle, and plan. First, define your wish, your big, audacious goal. Next, visualize the outcome. Picture yourself crossing that finish line, feeling proud and accomplished. Identify potential obstacles. Maybe it's lack of time, motivation, or a fear of failing. Finally, create your plan to overcome those obstacles. Your action step. Choose one of your goals and put it through the WHOOP method. This process transforms those big, scary goals into manageable, achievable targets. This next strategy dives deep into the psychology of achievement, and it's one of my favorites because it creates lasting change. We're going to tie your goals to your identity. Instead of saying, I want to write a book, declare, I am an author. Instead of, I want to get fit, say, I'm a healthy person. Research shows that we act in alignment with how we define ourselves. Craft an I am statement that reflects the identity you want to embody. Write it down, say it out loud, and repeat it every single morning. Over time, this simple act will transform your mindset and guide your actions naturally. The final and perhaps most crucial strategy for achieving your goals is to track your progress. Regularly checking in with yourself keeps you accountable, highlights what's working, and provides a surge of motivation to keep going. Schedule a weekly review of your goals. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small, to keep your spirits high and your motivation soaring. Remember, progress, not perfection, is the name of the game. There you have it. 5 simple yet incredibly powerful strategies to make 2025 your year of achievement. We talked about the power of writing down your goals, engaging your brain's secret weapon, your RAS, using the WHOOP method to create a plan, tying your goals to your identity for lasting change, and the importance of tracking your progress. But here's the thing, none of this matters if you don't take action. Grab a pen and paper, or open up your Notes app, and write down one goal you are committed to achieving. Let's make 2025 the year we don't just set goals, we crush them. If this video inspired you, hit that subscribe button and share your goals in the comments below.